I have arrived, but I just lost my dad 100 meters that way. But I'm guessing that he knows this area and he knows it's gonna start there, so I'm just gonna go back and we're gonna start the track. We're gonna start the off-road course. My dad didn't stop earlier because he knows this. He stopped because he's got a flat tire. So
no! God, please, no!
we're gonna call the services that we pay to come and fix our bike. I hope they're gonna fix it and not just bring us home or something. So yeah, I hope we can still do it today. Fingers crossed. We're trying to reach them, but there's not really a signal here, so yeah, we'll keep you updated. I think we found the problem. And that is when we say shit happens. My dad actually brought all the tools to do it ourselves, but I think it's kind of stupid to pay a service to do it and then not use it when you need it. And also, if we do something wrong and we break the inner tire, then it's all over. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the safe thing so that we can have our day. And now it's the waiting game. They said it would take about an hour and 45 minutes maximum. So yeah, we're gonna be here a while. Now I know some people are gonna say if you have tubes in your tires, that's just looking for trouble. There are some advantages and disadvantages. This is a disadvantage. You can't just patch it and ride on. So what's the advantage of these tires, tubes? You can always fix it.
You can always fix it, even when the sidewall is damaged. You can always put in a new inner tire.
Yeah.
And ride on it.
And with tubeless tires, if it's severely damaged on the outside,
you can't fix it.
You cannot really fix it.
You have to put in a new inner tire. That also does the job. Huh?
Yeah.
But yeah, the sidewalls are much sturdier in a tubeless tire.
It's hard to do yourself then. My dad actually chose a great spot to break down. We saw this little sign that says natural environment, so there's this little walk that you can do just right next to the bikes. Pretty nice. Unexpected things always seem to be the best. Which way to go towards 7? Alright, I'm back and I see that the people have arrived. And it looks like they're working on the tire, so we'll be good to go. It's proving to be a little bit difficult. The guy that came and helped us has never done a tire of the motorcycle, and he's trying to do it, but every time he fixes the tire, when he puts it back in, he breaks it again. So every time, and it's been 3 times that he fixed it and then just punctures it again by putting it in. So this is the tire that was punctured. I don't know which, I think this is the first one, and then he fixed it and put it back in and then broke it here, fixed it, put it back in and broke it here, again here, and now there is also, now here are the new punctures. So it's punctured in 5 places. And now we're gonna try to put another inner tire in it. My dad brought a spare inner tire for his front, so that's a 21 inch. So it's too big, but it might just do the trick, and if this doesn't work, we're just gonna go home. We just put on the new tire. Just only thing left is this little thing, and then we're good to go. We've been here 2 hours and 20 minutes.
Not good busy.
This really reminds me of the meme, 2 hours later.
2 hours later.
Right, we're about ready to leave. We're just gonna go to a restaurant or a cafe because our hands are really dirty and I have a wound on my hand, so I really need to clean it before I ride the whole day. clean. And now let's start the day. It's about noon right now, so we plan to begin our ride around 9:30, maybe a little bit around 10. And now it's more than 2 hours later, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Shit happens, and we move forward. This part of my life is called being stupid.